washing one of my new trucks. It's kind of dirty. It has about 35,000 miles on it, so not only is it time for an oil change, but it's time for it to get washed. And so today we're going to be cleaning this really dirty bad boy. And I'm actually doing it at a local car wash place that has like an RV section, and the truck can't quite fit, but we're gonna make do and we're gonna see if we can get this done today. Ooh, that was tight. Oh, it's adding the money up here. I just changed it to soap. Look, actually smells really good. Hopefully it'll wash the truck. I need like actual brush. Well, I'm going to get the little brush because now it's got soap coming out of it. Woo! Might need to get my own brush. Might just have to take it to a truck wash after this. Oh my gosh, look at all that dirt. Look, it's Dakota. Wash Dakota. Oh boy. It's a lot of soap. Ooh. This brush isn't working too well to get the stuff off of it, which is what I assumed, but I looked earlier today at the truck stops to find a brush and I forgot to check Jubits. But anyways, long story short, I didn't find a brush. So right now I'm really feeling bad for those guys at Blue Beacon that do this every day. You guys should tip them. I don't know, do they get tips? Somebody comment down below if you tip the Blue Beacon or not. I think what I'm just trying to do is soak it up really good, and then I have like a little brush that I'll use to kind of go over all of this. It'll take me forever, but at least I'll get it done. Oh boy. Well, I guess this is what you gotta do sometimes if you're not prepared. I think that's like the tagline of my life now. Shelby trying to make it work with whatever she has. Oop. But it's okay. It's better than it was. It only cost me like 20 bucks to do this. So at least it's a workout and I'm moving, which is important for us, because if I just took this to the truck stop, then I'd just be sitting anyways. So I like cleaning stuff, so this is kind of fun for me. And this truck is long overdue, so I'm probably gonna take it by a truck shop or trucks like wash sometime after this, just to actually get it cleaned, because those guys do a hell of a job, and honestly it's worth the money to have them do it. And I don't know what they use. I don't know how they get it so clean so quickly, but I guess because it's 4 different guys washing your truck or whatever, that it's just so much easier for them. Anyways, I guess I'm gonna continue scrubbing. I'm just going to kind of get the majority of it off, because I'm kind of like scrubbing it off right here, like it's all gonna come off. I just need to rinse it off. Then I'm gonna turn it around, and the biggest thing I want to do is to wash off the engine area, because it's important to keep that part clean so you can see leaks probably another video coming up of the oil change for this guy, and I am going to show you how to change the oil on one of these things and how it actually is not that hard. There's just a few things that make it a little difficult for drivers to do themselves, but yeah, that's coming soon. And ooh, this boy is big and he's very dirty, so let's get him clean. I flipped the truck around because it doesn't fit in here really, and honestly this isn't working all that well, but we're gonna keep going with it. I'm going to put some bug stuff on it because there is a ton of bugs and it is summer here, so there's bugs everywhere. There's also a ton of bugs on the hood, but I think my plan of action is to first tackle the bugs up here, lift the hood, and then climb up there and get all the bugs on the hood of the truck. Everything's just blowing everywhere, and I honestly don't know how I'm gonna reach all the way up there. I'm probably not gonna be able to get it all, but whatever, you know, again, it's exercise, I guess. I think I'm gonna hop to the other side now. BKM picked out this glove, and I guess he's going to use the back half of it for the buggies, but like kind of like this. Even though I think it's meant to be worn the other way, like this. Oh, it looks like I got Cookie Monster hands.
Cookie! Nom nom nom. Oh.
Nom nom. Okay. I guess I need to pay for some more water. Oh yeah, and I've decided that I'm going to use this brush. This was my my little broom brush for the truck. But it's a lot better than the brush that I have, so might as well. I really like this glove. It allows me to get in like some of these smaller spots, but I really appreciate the guys at Blue Beacon, and I really don't know what kind of soap they use because I don't know how they get into like all these teeny tiny places and get all this clean, but they just do. Anyways, I've already spent $60 on this, so needless to say, it probably wasn't worth it, but it was fun. I mean, getting out and actually doing something was fun, so I really don't mind it all that much. Just definitely could have used my money a lot wiser. Maybe next time I'll pick something else fun to do. There's a little bit of stuff there. Okay. I'm almost done. I mean, this is the last part. I don't even know what this is. What does it say? Spot for your rinse? Yeah. After I'm done with this, then I'm just gonna put a little bit of tire shine on the tires. I think I'm gonna pick up some of the Armor All for like the plastic parts of the truck, just to to try to keep them nice and black. But other than that, I'm pretty much done. I've overpaid for this, and that's all there is to it. And then we're gonna go get some food, and then I have a load to take at like 5 p.m. So, yay, hopefully it doesn't rain. Okay, so fast forward a little bit. We're ending this video here. Say hi to Dakota. Stay. And I have a load to take right now to northern Idaho, and so I didn't get to put the tire shine on because I didn't leave the truck sitting for very long. Plus I had to get a computer today, and there's just a lot of stuff. But anyways, this is going to start, ooh, I have a Dakota, oh no, that's my own hair. I'm going to start another video right after this and show you this run. It might be a nighttime one, so we don't have a lot of those, so hopefully you look forward to that. Remember to like the video, it helps out the algorithm a lot, and then also subscribe if you haven't yet. And then also I have other social medias that I do link down below in the description, and thank you so much for joining me and watching and supporting, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.